7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is
Umaambon, papunta na kami doon sa Ventres. Kasi 8 PM ang gathering ba? Warm up kami kem. Maambon! Ano yan?
Fun rain.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Filimbe sa Labak. Ano ba yan? Dito na lang mag-100, inulan pa.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues. I'll take them and I'll make them mine. Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel them. It's okay if you wanna cry. I'll hold you forever, chase
2 kilometers na. 3 more. 5K lang kami. For beginner. Hindi pa? Hydration. Ayun. Wow. Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng southern headband. Wala si Pia, pati si IC. Matagal pa yun kasi talagang naglalakad lang yun. Kami naman medyo jogging, medyo lakad, medyo run. Fast walk. Ano na tayo? Siguro mga sa 3 kilometers. 2 more to go. Free water. Oo naman. Tayo nga na 5K, pagod na. Yung 10K pa kaya. Pero sa iba sisiw na lang yan. May 21K pa nga eh. Sa ibang fun run. Ito pinaka mahaba na tatakbuhin 10K. Sabi 5K. Beginner. Water. Wow. Sobrang lamig. Refreshing.
Selfie lang tayo.
U-turn na kami. U-turn. Wakatan. Fun rain. Wakatan. Sarap. Lamig. Woo! Woo! $3K na dito. Mali pala ako kanina. Ngayon pa lang 3K. Sobrang lamig ng water. Hindi tayo inuuhaw. Free water all the way.
Hindi tumuloy oh.
4 km. Kami, boy! Boy, wag kami. Mandurugo itong dalawa. Dito lang umikot kami, ang layo. Kami, third. No. Party pa tayo.
Ako pa sila.
Kala mo talaga si Boy. Mahirap na hirap si Boy. 4 kilometers. So, 1 kilometer na lang. Di. Anong nararamdaman mo? Are you tired?
No.
Wow!
Walkathon.
Sabi.
Walkathon.
Fast walk. Paano? Walkathon lang. La. Laki na lang. Woo! Asa sila ba? Nasabog na rin color. Tara na! Let's go! Hila! Wow! Hey! Good job! Woo! Wow, yabang ni Boy, naka 1K eh. 1K lang yun. Huwag niyo kami lokohin, tumambay lang kayo sa puno. B, pagod.
Jack Valia, thank you very much. This is JCI Manila Color Fest.
Ay, kami medal.
Itaas ang kamay.
Wow! Ayan.
As you guys know that we are your beautiful face might be sound. As tonight.
Ito na yung medal. And then, ito yung, ito yung low pack. Yan, 4 minutes na lang to.
Is there any more runners?
You're here because you want something different. You want something for your kids. You want to be with your family. You want to be with your special.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is
When you're down, when your heart stops beating, you got me in the
camera ko. Alo! Boy, tingnan mo, boy. Ano ba yan? Ayun yung matanggal. Sir, mahal na parking fee mo. Hindi mo ka talagang kamote dyan. Ako din naman. Ikaw ube.